It is so easy to drop your brand new iPhone, and if your screen or any of the three camera lenses break, then in the best case scenario, your phone screen will have some cracks, and in the worst case scenario, your phone will be completely destroyed. That is why it is very important to protect your screen and camera lenses using a high quality screen protector. Some people don't buy a screen protector because they find it very difficult to properly install it. Luckily, LK Screen Protector has come up with a mechanism that makes it really easy to install screen protector that will fit perfectly. I have made videos on how to install screen protector and camera protector and how to remove bubbles from screen protector after installing it. You can find these videos in the description. The good news is that for just around $15, you get 2 screen protectors, 2 camera protectors, and a phone stand. Okay, the phone stand itself isn't as great, but nevertheless, you can still use it if you want to. The screen protector and camera lenses protector are made up of tempered glass with a hardness of 9H. I'm really happy with its quality and would definitely recommend it. You can find Amazon links in the description. If you have any questions about this screen protector, please let me know in the comments below.